Welcome to the ultimate showdown between two flagship titans, the Honor Magic 8 Pro and the Vivo X300 Pro. Both pack insane power with Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 versus the MediaTek Dimensity 9500. But which one truly dominates in display brilliance, camera prowess, battery life, and those special features that make a phone unforgettable? Will the Magic 8 Pro's jaw-dropping 1800 nits brightness and AI eye protection beat Vivo's Ultra HDR and Zeiss optics? Or does Vivo's 200MP camera and 8K video steal the crown? Let's break down the specs and ask, is the Magic 8 Pro just hype, or is Vivo's X300 Pro the real game changer? Starting with the display, the Magic 8 Pro offers a slightly smaller 6.71-inch LTPO OLED with a peak brightness of 1800 nits and advanced AI features like AI Circadian Night Display and AI Off-Focus Eye Protection 2.0, making it perfect for long viewing without eye strain. Vivo's 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED is brighter at 4500 nits peak and supports HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, but lacks the advanced AI eye care tech. The Magic 8 Pro's screen-to-body ratio is slightly lower, but its dynamic dimming and Honor Giant Rhino glass add durability and comfort. The AI-driven eye protection is a standout feature that could sway users towards Magic 8 Pro for healthier screen time. Under the hood, the Magic 8 Pro runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, boasting two powerful cores at 4.6 GHz, delivering blazing speed and efficiency. Vivo's X300 Pro uses the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 with a more complex octa-core setup, but slightly lower max clock at 4.21 GHz. The Snapdragon's Adreno 840 GPU is known for superior graphics performance, making Magic 8 Pro more suited for gamers and power users craving smooth visuals and multitasking. When it comes to special features, Magic 8 Pro shines with emergency SOS via satellite, a dedicated AI button, and GPU-NPU heterogeneous AI supersampling that boosts gaming graphics. Vivo counters with a V1 imaging chip, Zeiss T-In cameras. Both pack a 50MP main wide lens and a staggering 200MP periscope telephoto with 3.7x optical zoom. However, Vivo's periscope has a longer 85mm focal length and macro capabilities, while Magic 8 Pro offers a slightly faster aperture at f1.6 on the wide lens with multi-directional PDAF. Vivo also supports 8K video at 30 FPS versus Magic 8 Pro's 4K Max, making Vivo the pick for video creators demanding ultra-high resolution. Magic 8 Pro impresses with AI Super Zoom and HD Super Burst for dynamic shots, plus a unique Harcourt portrait mode for professional-grade portraits. Vivo brings Zeiss Optics lens coating, CIPA 5.5 stabilization, and hybrid frame HDR for color accuracy and sharpness. The Zeiss lens coating and stabilization give Vivo an edge in image clarity and steadiness, crucial for photography lovers. Battery-wise, Magic 8 Pro packs a massive 7200 mAh CIS-IC Li-ion battery, outlasting Vivo's 6510 mAh unit. This means longer usage between charges, a big deal for power users and travelers who can't be tethered to outlets. Both phones share top-tier IP68, IP69 ratings, making them dust-tight and water-resistant against high-pressure jets and submersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. This parity means ruggedness won't be a deciding factor here. Memory options are close, with both offering up to 1 TB storage and 16 GB RAM variants. The Magic 8 Pro offers a 12 GB RAM option at 256 GB and 512 GB, while Vivo starts at 12 GB for 256 GB, but jumps to 16 GB at 512 GB. Catering to those who want massive multitasking power without compromise. Price-wise, the Magic 8 Pro is set at $850, while Vivo's X300 Pro ranges from $750 to $950 depending on configuration. This overlap means your choice might come down to which features you value most rather than just cost.